What's going on, everybody? Brian here, Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome to this week's Quick Tip Tuesday video. And today's quick tip, guys, is to pay yourself first. All right, most of us we're caught up in this habit, right? When you go out and you have a job and you get your paycheck, the first thing you think to do, and rightfully so, I guess, would be to pay your financial obligations, right? Your rent or mortgage, your car notes and things like that, right? And all the other things that come with just living, okay? But what I want to encourage you to do is to do what a lot of wealthy people understand first, and that is to pay yourself first. Now, this is going to be something completely separate from your savings account, guys. What we want to do is start saving at least 10% of any income you get as frequently as you get it. We want to start putting that away. We're going to do this for future investments, all right, to continue to build up your wealth, okay? We want to develop wealth. We want everybody to be wealthy, and one of the ways to do that, or a major important aspect of that, guys, is to make sure that you're investing. Unfortunately, because most of us will naturally go towards paying off our financial obligations as soon as we get our any income, right? We kind of get caught up in this whole thing of doing that and then not having any money left over for ourselves and to invest so that we can create more income to contribute to our overall wealth, right? Usually by the time, most jobs are only paying us enough just to keep us from quitting, all right? So once we take care of our responsibilities, our obligations, right, you might be able to go out to dinner once a week or twice a week. You might be able to squeeze in a trip somewhere once a year, okay? But by no means does any of that mean wealth or financial freedom. And a big part of that, again, is to make sure that you're putting money into investments that are going to produce more income for you and thus allow you more time to do the things you want to do. All right. So again, the quick tip, guys, is to pay yourself first. At least start with at least 10%. Doesn't matter if that's money from your job, money from a side gig you're doing. If you have a couple of businesses already, make sure that you're at least putting away 10% of that for investments. Again, this does not count towards your savings, okay? So that is it for this week's Quick Tip Tuesday. Guys, if you have any questions about, saving in terms for investments, let us know by, dropping questions, comments, suggestions, anything you have. Let us know in the comments below. Also, if you have not done so already, hit that little red subscribe button and the bell notification right next to it, because not only are we bringing you tips every Tuesday, but we're bringing you information, tips, and even online-based opportunities every single week to help you achieve financial freedom for you and your loved ones. So that's it for this week. This is Brian, Revenue Pro Tips. See you soon. Peace.